Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.3-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power sunroof, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.